After that, article of association is the second important document which we required as per section 5 of the Companies Act 2013, and this article of association contains those clauses which are essential to regulate the internal functioning of the company. It contains the regulation for management of the company. In case of private company limited by share, conditions specified in section 3(1)(b), clause 1 subclause B is specified what type of conditions there. In case of company liability by guarantee, number of members should be mentioned in section 5 article of association. The article of a company shall be in respective forms specified A, B, C, D, E. These tables relates to memorandum of association, table F, table G, table H, table I, table Z of schedule 1 deals with the article of association model form provided here behind the act. And if any association not ready to prepare their own, then they adopt this one, that's equivalent to they drafted. Company may also adopt all or any of the regulations contained in the model article applicable to such companies. Regulation of article of association should not be inconsistent with any provision of the Company Act. Very clear policy here. Every article of association should regard the memorandum of association, and memorandum of association should regard the Company Act. So every document need to be gave harmonized relation, maintain their harmonized relation with their upper document. And here memorandum of association, article of association and Company Act, they are the important document you need to be draft itself, or you may be adopt which provided in the form of schedules in the Companies Act.